Hi guys, this is Dino from ChromeStory.com. I'm here to show you login and logout sounds for Chromium OS. Probably it'll be the same for the Chrome OS when it's released. I'm not sure if I can upload those files, so I decided to record a video and play it back to you. So this is the media player. Now you see the login file. So I'll play it again. That's the login sound for Chromium OS. Pretty cool, huh? Now, this is the file shelf that I was telling you about. I have the logout sound here. Let's play it. So here you go again. Logout sound for Chromium OS. Okay, let me play the login sound once more. Okay, so actually I found these files on the file browser, but I don't see these two files playing when I log in or log out. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.